Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be looking at task 20x. Okay, the question says open the file that you saved in task 20k. Okay, the task 20k, I'm going to leave it at the description below so you can also download it and also do this task with us. Okay, format the cells in column D so that if they contain the text not experienced, they are colored with a red background. If they contain experience, add an amber or orange background. If they contain very experienced, add a green background. Apply appropriate foreground colors to this text. Okay, so we move ahead. So I already have my task 20k opened. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go to File and then Save As. Okay, to save it as tax 20x. Okay, so I'm already at my location, so I can have tax 20x right there. So I'll save that. Okay, so the question says that for not experienced, the background, of course, the cells that contain not experienced should be red, and then of course experience should be amber, and then very experienced should be green. Okay, so and obviously the question says that we should format these cells in what column D. So which means that the whole column of D. So which means I'm not going to just select this range alone. I'm just going to select everything right there on that column. Okay, so we're going to use conditional formatting for this question. So I'm going to just go from home and then which group is this? Let me just be sure. Styles. Okay, styles. Okay, and then new rule. So I'm going to take from the select a rule type. I'm going to select the format only cells that contain. Of course, here cell value will be specific text containing the not experienced this time. Let me just do not experienced first of all before others. Not experienced. Okay, so I'm going to format that. So the font, I'll make the font to be white here, and then the fill color will be red for not experienced from the question. Okay, so I'm going to okay that as you can see the preview here. Okay, so I okay that, and then as you can see, every cell that contains not experienced will be what red. Okay, so I'm going to add another rule for very experienced. This time I'm going to add another rule for very experienced. Format only cells that contain okay specific here containing this, so it's going to be very experienced. Okay, very experienced. Of course you need to format the cells. So first of all, the font should be white, and then the fill color should be very experienced, right? Yeah, green, I think. Yeah, then I'll okay that, and that's what we have here. Okay, so very experienced green, and then experience should be amber, right? So we declare another rule, new rule again, and then this time around specific text, but not containing this time, but beginning with. Because if we have containing, if we choose containing here, that means all cells will turn amber. Okay, because all other cells they contain experience. So beginning with is the best to choose. Okay, so I'll have experience. Okay, experience here. Format the same thing, the font white, and then the fill color to be what's it called, amber this time. Yeah, so I will okay that, and that is how you can have that. Okay, so this is it. So you can choose to clear your formatting if you want to. Okay, so if I want to clear my formatting here on this particular range, I can still select, of course, and then go to conditional formatting, and then you can clear the rules, like clear rules from selected cells. So if I click this, it goes off, right? So the rules goes off. So you can choose to clear your rules if you want to. I'm going to undo that and leave it the way it is. Okay, so that's how you can do this Please, if you have any question, please you can leave a comment down below. Suggestions will be allowed also. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video and share. Thank you. Have a lovely day. Bye.